The battery just dies so fast with the Meta glasses. So I picked this up here so that way I'll be able to use these all throughout the day. And when I open the box, this is what you have right inside the package. They're really sleek and they just go on to the end of the glasses. To install this, you're going to want to clean off the glasses. They recommend doing the wet wipes first, and they come inside the package. So I'm going to take this wet wipe. I'm going to go ahead and clean off the lens, or I'm going to clean off the frame here, just to get any oil or debris. After you do the wet wipe, you're then going to dry it off with the dry wipe right here. So we'll open that up. And we're going to be careful not to smudge that area with our fingertips. We're just going to use that dry wipe right along the edge and along the side arm. Next, we take this here, and this is where the actual nose bridge piece is, and this just connects right onto it. It's important that it's a one and done, so you don't want to put this on and then try to reposition it. This just goes right on here on the nose bridge of the glasses. So we're going to take the adhesive off, and then put this right on here, and then you just pull down to take it off. And I'm just going to hold down here for about 10 seconds. This is what it looks like once it's attached. Now we can go ahead and do the sidearm portion. We're going to go ahead and pull this paper off here. So this arm right here attaches right on the inside, and it just clips right on, and just clips right on just like this. Now we can go ahead and take this adhesive off, and as you see, everything works just the way it should. And you can't even tell that it's on there. These just clip right on. So you'll just pop this right on the end, and there you have it. I can tell you that putting this on here, it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't irritate my ear, and you can really barely see it. If I was just walking around, you can't see it from the front. You might be able to see a difference from the side if I was to turn quickly, but you can't even really tell. And the benefit of getting this extra battery life is so important to me that even if someone did notice that I didn't have a battery pack on here, it wouldn't bother me at all. The additional bonus, you have two here. So you've got one that's on and then one that's charged. Just rotate these as you go about the day. Take this with you. It's small enough so that way it fits in the palm of your hand. You can throw this in your pocket, in your bag or whatnot, and just take it with you and be ready to go. Charge these up. You can charge them with just a case like this, and you'll see that they're charging because of the red lights that are here. You can also charge them individually in the case. While one's on, you can go ahead and charge the other. And then you can also use this cord that it comes with. You can plug this into a battery pack if you wanted to. Put it right on the clip, and then you're good to go as well. And this is charging my glasses with the battery pack or the wall outlet. So you've got multiple ways to use this. I definitely like this a lot, and I'll be using this so much because my battery just dies so quickly on my Meta glasses. So I would definitely say check this out.